Now, let us complete the sentence by choosing words from the bracket. Okay, that's what we are going to do. What are we going to do? Complete. Complete the sentence by choosing words from the bracket. Word from the word from the brackets. All right. We're going to complete the sentence. Complete the sentence by choosing words from the bracket. Now let's look at all the sentences here. The first sentence I have for you is, he is a fool. He is a fool and has dash sense. And words we have here, little, a little. Okay. The next we have is the second one, I have not. I have not had dash dinner today. And the words are some, any. Okay. Next. He is the dash man in the village. And the words in the bracket are oldest, eldest. Oldest and eldest. Fourth one, dash persons can keep. A secret. And the words in bracket are few, a few. Fifth one, dash one of these chairs is broken. And the bracket words are every and each. Every and each. Sixth one, hurry. Hurry. Hooray. Sorry. Hooray. You have. You have only dash time left. Little, A little. Next. Did you see dash people there? And in bracket you have some, any. Eighth one. Mary is the dash of the two sisters. Elder, older. Elder, older. Ninth one. There were not dash people. There were not dash people at the meeting. Much, many. Tenth one. Will you have dash more coffee? And the words in the bracket are some, any. Some and any. Okay, now let us fill in the blanks with word from the bracket choosing. We're going to complete the sentence by choosing word from the bracket and complete the sentence. The first one is, he is a fool and has little sense. And has little. We're going to use the word little. And has little sense. I have not had any dinner today. I have not had any dinner today. He is the oldest man in the village. He is the oldest. He is the oldest man in the village. And the fourth one is dash persons. Few persons. Few persons can keep a secret. And the next one, dash one of these chairs is broken. Every one of these chairs is broken. Next, hurry, you have only a little. You have only a little time left. A little time left. Okay. Next. Did you see any people there? Any. Did you see any people there? Mary is the elder of the two sisters. Mary is the elder of the two sisters. There were not many people. There were not many people at the meeting. Will you have some more coffee? Will you have some more coffee? So we chose words from the bracket to fill in to complete the sentence. So, he is a fool and has little sense. Good. I have not had any dinner today. He is the oldest man in the village. Few persons can keep a secret. Every one of these chairs is broken. Hurry, you have only a little time left. Did you see any people there? Mary is elder of the two sisters. There were not many people at the meeting. Will you have some more coffee? So we filled in. We completed the sentence by choosing the right word from the bracket.